Hello, and good morning. Welcome to the third day of the challenge going from 0 to 100k in revenue. Sorry for the delay. It's 10:20, so 20 minutes delay. Sorry about that. But now we are live and ready to go. So, let me put the chat out so I can see everyone. Say hi, bye, why, my, whatever you want. And we'll get them really pumped for today. I want to get things going and try the first project and see if we're going somewhere. All right. Good. Let me know if everything is all right, if you can hear me. If you can hear the music in the background, because I can't. So let's see, that's working, apparently. All right, 1 second to close the window. All right, good. Now it's not loud anymore. Okay, good. So, for those of you who weren't yesterday, we scratched the earnings calculator project and we started to think about a new project which is called Accountability Buddy. And today, I'm going to write down the to-dos. Will be to quickly get up and running to see, all right, is this project something people would like? Let me put this here so I can stare in your eyes. All right. How much you got, Florin? Yeah, not a lot. Please share the Google Docs link in which you wrote all the ideas. Yeah, there is a Gumroad link, which is 0 to something. I don't know. Let me get the link quickly. I think you can find it in the description. Products, here are the notes, so you can get the notes where you can find everything. And we have 18 cells says here. But if we go to the analytics and it says 19. So yeah, not sure what's wrong with this. This is the first product, which is basically access to this document where you can find everything, the daily recaps, the ideas, the to-dos, the projects, resources. All right, and I'm going to add more information to this project, product as we go. Okay. Let me go on Twitter and quickly yell that we're live. We're live. Okay, and I need a link, which is this. Okay. Good. Yeah, so the access to this file is $5 because you're saving time. If you don't want to spend the whole day watching me streaming, you can get access and get access to the information as quickly as possible in this document. All right, good. So yeah, let's use the energy I have to get up and running quickly. Hello, Jose and Rodit and Adini and Big Don and everyone. Okay, so there are a couple of things I want to do quickly to make sure that every day we're on track. We have a couple of to-dos to do, which will make sure that even though we can see a lot of progress on a particular day, on the long term, we can see the needle moving. So for that, I'd like to create a daily to-do list. So something which we have to do every day, which will help the overall goal. So I'm already going to start to work on this. Now, where should I put the daily to do? Can I add here? I kind of need a to-do list which resets every day. So every day we're starting fresh and see how's going. Basically, every day I'd like to make sure that I have a to-do ready for the day, prepared the day before. So that will get rid of the wasting time at the beginning of the stream to figure out, okay, what we're going to do today. So that's very important, I believe. Another thing will be to to create a video for the day, to create an article for the day, the thumbnail is needed for the challenge, to post on social media. So yeah, kind of these things which will help the overall goal. Hello everyone who came from Twitter. All right, so the daily to do, I need to figure out, should I create another page? Yeah, you know what? I'm going to create here another group and put it daily. And here I'm going to add everything which should be done. So at the end of the day, I want to write the recap of the day. Then I want to create a recap video. Then I want to, well, before that I want to write the to-do for tomorrow. All right. Shared progress on social media. All right, so these will be 4 tasks which would be mandatory for every day to make sure that, all right, we're moving slowly. So that's done. Recap, the to-do will go sooner, share the progress. All right, good. So I think that's it. I was also looking into maybe starting TikTok and sharing the progress there too, because I don't have a lot of experience with TikTok, but I saw that challenges go well there. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, good. So that's done. Another thing, for this project, I'd like to see if there's a need in the market for something like this. So I want to create either a landing page with an email, tell the people what's the project about, and get emails to see if there's a need. So I guess if we can get 100 emails, maybe we can say that, okay, the project has could have a future. Shouldn't you create a no-code MVP first? Yeah, that's I've researched just a bit yesterday or today morning. I forgot. I think yesterday I looked into the no-code stuff, and yeah, that's something we could try. But I don't have a lot of experience with no-code tools to see what could work. But basically, for each project, if we can fast check if there's a market for the project, that will be awesome, without spending a couple of days to code the project. And for that, let me think. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay. Yeah, putting work later, realizing there's no market will be bad. Exactly. Okay, so we want to see if there's a market. Let's create a Google form, and share it on social media and ask if people would be interested in a project like this. If we get 100 people interested, then we can start working on the project. I also want to start working with the backend today, working with authentication and database, because I haven't done it in a while, and I'd like to be ready if I really need to work on the project. And I don't know of any no-code tools which can do that without me having to do it. So people might be reluctant to go and fill in Google form. Do you think so? So they say we only should try a Twitter poll. Yeah, how about we do both? Create a Twitter poll and ask for like adding access apps might be bad. Yeah, but if you scroll on Twitter, just imagine this: you scroll on Twitter and you see a poll and click yes. Maybe it's just, oh well, sure, why not? But if you put in the work to give the email in case the project is launched and tell us more details about yourself and what you'd be interested, that's also powerful. How much you earned till now? Almost $100. But that was from I think we just reached $100 because someone bought a copy. So yay! Where is it? Analytics. Yeah, $100. Pretty cool. Let's brag on Twitter. Is it laggy or is just on my side? Let me know. We just reached, let me put it here, the 100 mark. $99,900 left to complete the 0 to 100K challenge. All right, so that's cool. Yeah, we can validate. Even people said that you have an audience, easier to validate the idea. Yeah, that's true. But even without an audience, you can do a little research and I think I'll have to do that too, to do a little bit of research and see like where are people who might use the product. All right, thank you, Philip. Okay, good. So that's and that Twitter poll and ask for Twitter poll to validate the idea. Now again, there's another tricky part you need to consider when validating an idea. From saying people would like a product to people paying for a product is like, I don't know if you can see. It's so far. It's very important to realize that even though you might have hundreds of people signing up for a product, most likely not a lot of them would pay. But it's still a validation, so that could work. All right, let's see. You can do a LinkedIn survey. Was attending a startup talk yesterday. They were like, it's more chances it will be used. A LinkedIn survey? I'm not sure what you mean by that. But I'll create a Twitter poll and create a Google form with 2-3 questions. I'd like to know, okay, if people would like this project, what would they expect from it? And I also have also have a little name for it. I'm not sure Go, what's that? Go that. Go daddy. Go. A buddy. From accountability buddy. A buddy. abuddy.co. That online live tech club. abuddy.club. That's nice. And I can get it for really cheap. Good. So the name would be available for A buddy. All right. Now we need to see how to explain the project. So for that, I'm going to go back to the notes. And we really need, in a couple of words, I'm not the best at copywriting, but in a couple of words, we need to explain the project and how can people benefit from it. Okay. So the website would be a place where you can find a buddy with similar interested, that's not the word, interests, and you can chat with similar interests. Oh boy, you can chat with and march together towards your common goal. How does that sound? Okay. Thinking. Would you be interested? Accountability buddy. Let's see what accountability buddy means. We can use Google explanation to is a person who coaches another person in terms of helping the other person keep a commitment. Yeah. Partners are made up of one or more individuals who are willing to hold you accountable. Okay. It's like a partnership where you mutually agree to coach each other. All right. So kind of a thing here. So a person who you work with doesn't sound right to me yet. Would you be interested? Think. Project will be open source. Yes. I'll think this will be open source, especially considering that I don't know all the pieces yet. I still need to learn, as I said, the back end and all that. So I'll make it open source. And if someone was willing to contribute, perfect. Would you like to find yourself is it a or an accountability buddy who can help you, with whom you can work to get that? Let's just put it out and we can, I guess, an accountability buddy with whom you can work together towards a common goal. Let's see. I don't think of the coaching expert when I hear that term. I think of someone who you tell about something you're working on so that you feel guilty when you don't progress. Yeah, that's kind of what I hear too. How much money we made it? I don't know what's another question. Would you be interested in having an accountability buddy to keep a check on you and keep you a check on them? Yeah. Nah, doesn't. We need a copywriter in a team. Would you like to find an accountability buddy with whom you can work together towards a common goal. Someone who can keep you accountable until you reach that goal. I guess you don't work with accountability. I mean, yeah, but that's kind of work, right? Even like I have an accountability buddy and we have calls and we write things down. So we kind of, yeah, I mean, you don't work on the same projects, but like you keep accountable. Not sure the goal needs to be common. Much harder to find someone if it's common. Oh, that's an interesting approach. And then just finding a person, but you still need to relate at some level, right? I mean, if I'm in the web area and he's studying for gardening, maybe. Chat, let me know something. Do you, if you hear the word accountability buddy, do you know what it means? Does it sound familiar? Let me know with a yes or no. Because if that sounds familiar to you, then we can use that. I don't have to explain what accountability buddy is. We can just explain, do you want to find an accountability buddy? Yeah. This is so Kylie, you nailed it. So, would you like an accountability buddy? No. But maybe only because Danny Thompson. Yes, it's unfamiliar. No. Yes, but it's like making him accountable. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yeses, 2 no's. Means for something connect with finance. Oh, accountability, yeah. Like accountant. Why not make an image of accountability buddy? So you know the term, your wife know. Alright. We kind of have to, we can't assume 100% that people know what they mean. It's intuitive to understand for dev. Would you like to find an accountability buddy? Someone who can keep you accountable until you reach your goal. It just feels, now we simplified it. But still, yeah, let's put yes. I love that. No, thank you. What's that? Popcorn. Oops, pop. I like to put the popcorn just for people to see results. Alright, so would you like to find an accountability buddy? Someone who can keep you accountable until you reach your goals. Someone who makes sure you do the things you say you would do. Yeah, I guess something like this. Alright, and let's set up a quick Google form. 1 second, I'll go here to hide things from you. All right. You don't like until you reach your goals? Huh. Yeah, well, free to. It gives a much more confident, positive outlook. I prefer while you reach your goals. All right, thanks. That's or maybe while you're working towards your goals. That sounds a bit cheesy, probably. I guess it kind of makes the point. All right. Accountability buddy. Cheese is good, especially on pizza, right? Am I right? All right. Now we need to describe, so what I'm interested in. I want to see if people would be interested to sign up, the email in case we need to contact them. And then I want to see, all right, what would be the topics the people are most interested in? Because if like more people are interested in a topic, maybe we can niche it down to that. I don't know what's is this a thing, like tell my name? I see people asking me to tell their name. Is this some kind of a punishment or just a joke or something? It's funny. All right, what are your goals? Your goals. And this, what? Yeah. I'm thinking. So when people come to this form, they need to give us enough information so we can start building the MVP. I'm working on an MVP project which will help you find an accountability buddy so that you both can work together, can keep yourselves accountable while reaching your goals. Using this form, I'm gathering more information about what should the MVP have. Each other, not yourself. Oh, okay. Keep each other accountable while reaching your goals. All right. Like, what would be important for a person who would like to find an accountability buddy? Maybe who's to know more about the other person, right? What are your goals? Nah, doesn't sound. I think it needs more things to this. MVP, minimum viable product. Find someone who understands what you're doing and can share useful insights. Yeah, I mean, even so, when I think about accountability buddy, even when the other person doesn't know 100%, and maybe you don't know 100% what you need to do, but just the fact that you are like working together and keeping yourself accountable, you can find answers to the questions you might have. Oh yeah, what do you look for in accountability buddy? Thanks. That's a good question. What do you look for in an accountability buddy? Although maybe it would be hard for this might be one of those questions which is might be hard to answer for people. Very valuable for us. Yeah. Which aims to help you find accountability buddies so that you both can keep each other accountable while reaching your goals. Using the form and gathering more information about what should the main MVP features be. What should be the main features of the MVP? Come on. So what should the main features of the MVP? No, what should be? Come on. Of the MVP. Have options like similar interests as a prior experience. Just kidding. What's accountability in a way? Someone who can encourage, motivate you to stick to your plans. Thank you for helping. Okay, and I also want to say PS. The email will be used to contact you when the project is launched. All right, I guess all right. Probably this is response limit to 1. Yeah. Yes. They can edit limit to 1. I guess no. Yeah. Limit to 1. Any consequences for not working on the task that your bunny can enforce? Yeah, later down the road, if this project works out, we will have a review system, and you can get a bad review or something. I need email. No, it's collected so that you can be contacted when the project is launched. New haircut, yay! Yesterday we had it too, so kind of fresh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. What are your goals won't really help you. Just get a list of people's goals. Oh, like maybe I need a way to know what are the niches. That's like, for example, if someone is looking to learn coding, then if we have 100 people, like for example, we have 100 responses and 90 people out of the 100 want to learn coding, then yeah, I'll keep this here. I can get the niche from the goals with people. All right, good. So I want this to send, shorten URL, copy. MVP. All right. If the answer is yes, Please help us by filling in this form, this short form. Okay, good. I think this looks nice. Okay, and the form. Okay, I'm not 100%, but should be fine. Well, let's see how that goes. This is interesting. We're launching a SaaS book today. How to start a SaaS. Nice. Give it a like. Good. Accountability Buddy is the name of the project from the last video. Yep. Okay. Can you post the link here? Yes. Yes, sure. And I'm going to... You can go for the Twitter and you can find this link there. Or maybe you want directly the link. This. Okay. Just a second. I have a lot of notifications. Pair Buddy. But programmers would think about pair programming and not all in general. Yeah. So what I'm thinking about this project will be, you will find someone who is motivated and both of you can maybe talk every week, and you share the goals and you share your journey, share your roadblocks and all that. Okay, good. So that's that. Let me share on LinkedIn too. All right, before I go, I'm going to do this. Can I do a poll? Oh, no. Oof. No. Oh, I thought that you can. Oh, create a poll. Duh. All right. Yes, I love that. No, thank you. I guess that's it. I don't know if you need popcorn here. Don't allow requests for political opinions, medical information, Alright. Let's see. I never posted a a poll on LinkedIn. Okay, I want this. And I want the link to the form. This is in comments. I don't know how well it should work, but yes, I'd love that. Oh boy, no. Undo. Okay. I can't boycott my own answers. All right. So while that's going, let's see. We did this. I like to put them in all categories. Create a Twitter poll. Create a Google form. All right. Accountability buddy is not a good name. Needs to be easier and more catchy. A buddy. That's abuddy.com. Not sure if that's, yeah, right now. Link for sign up. Yeah, only for those of you who are watching, just please only enter if you're really interested, so you don't mess up the statistics. Okay. Out of 24 people, 12 said yes. Yeah, let's see. Edit. 5 responses. All right, I'm going to let this go for now. You're here to help and see the progress. Thank you. I appreciate that. Just a second. All right. I could also go to Indie Hackers. Because maybe people from there would like to. Accountability buddy. What's going on? I made an app yesterday to track my progress for this challenge for fun. It's a start and we improve on it. Nice, well done. I want to add a poll. Oh, you know what? No, let's just put the tweet. Okay, and I need, where's the form? Where is the form? Ah. Okay. All right. I'm going to ask here too. If you'd be interested in collecting some more information using this form. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, good. I don't need a poll. Let's just submit and see if people would be interested. So we don't go on. All right, so that's good. 8 responses. I'm going to keep this here. Let me see. I wanted to check something, yeah. Convert. I think I need to upgrade my account in order to get more emails, so I'll do that. Oops. Hi, I love your project. It helps me stay motivated. I'm wondering, how do you remain so calm while working? When I'm working, I feel so pressure and stress. Any piece of advice? Yeah, I mean, I like what I'm doing, and I don't overwork myself. If you followed along in the live streams, you noticed that I only stream for like 3 hours a day. Well, that might seem a lot for some people, but still. I guess that's I like what I'm doing, and I'm fine with failing. I tried not to put pressure on myself, so yeah. So I've been make money. If you could help, this form wasn't working before. If you can help and subscribe, you can unsubscribe afterwards. I want to see if it will start working again. Let me know when you subscribe. I haven't upgraded, so probably that's why it didn't work. So now I upgraded and I want to see if it works. Okay. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I will. Just yeah, 1 new subscriber. Awesome. Thank you. I got 1 new subscriber, so that's good. I think I lost a lot of subscribers because this wasn't working. That's a bummer. All right, let's see how the where's the form again? Here, 10 responses. It works, but it came direct into promotion rather than primary. Yeah, I think that's how it works. I might need to send an email telling people they need to move. Okay, good. Awesome. Let me sit down and see what we're going to do next. I don't want to start working a lot on the project before we have... I'm going to check the answers and I'm going to put them aside because I don't want to show the emails on the stream. All right, so here we have some of the... I guess I can share this. Yeah, good. So, increase audience, build my SaaS, lose weight, become a software developer. You join, build a full stack, become a React, become an entrepreneur, full stack developer, stay consistent. Yeah, so people will looking to what are you looking for? Someone with similar goals. We can collaborate if body's not that guy. We can check each other's goals and help each other. Keep me on the right track. Someone I can be accountable to, passionate. Accountability, support, inspiration. Buddy who's looking forward to us bettering each other. Yeah, pretty nice. I would also like to add a field like anything else you'd like to add, and this won't be required, just in case someone has other things. Hello. Good. So I'm going to keep this here. I need to add more articles. This is the project description. That's good. Okay. Hey Ivan, welcome. For the backend, I don't know. I kind of started learning Next.js, and I might work with that, but I don't know. I really need to learn things again. Good, so we have that. I want to see on LinkedIn if the form work. I don't know how to work here. Hey, why is this 80 degrees Fahrenheit? I want to change this. More settings. How can I change this? Oh well. Press C. Oh. Thanks. You're the best. Alright, where's the post? Here. Yes, 2 votes. Yay! Okay, I'll keep this here too, and on Indie Hackers I also want to keep my eye on what people say here, if they say anything. Probably not. Alright. Good. What are you making? We're trying now to see if people would be interested in an accountability buddy website where you can go and find a person who can keep you accountable, and you both can work towards a goal. Well, not the same goal. You both can work towards your goals, and they motivate each other and all that. But in the meantime, I want to do more research and see how I can build that website with like I need authentication, and I'll need a database. So yeah, the next part will be research. If any of you knows this stuff, the backend and working with profiles and everything, I'm going to research Next.js authentication to see how that works. Do they have this? Next.js supports multiple application patterns. This is designed for different use cases. This page will go through each case so you can choose based on your constraints. The first step to identify which ATKS pattern, you need to understand the data fetching strategy. This is all sounds so hard for me. Use static generation to server render loading state following by fetching user data. Fetch user data server side to eliminate the flash. So we might need to have a backend. Where can we read about what you're doing and what are going to do next to complete? Yeah, so for those of you who are watching and don't know what I'm doing, you can go to makemoney.dev to read this article, which goes over roughly the challenge. And I'm going to add more articles here. Might write it today. And then you can go to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to post daily. So besides the live stream, I'm going live every day, but the live stream will be unlisted. Here is the playlist where you can see all the live streams. If you missed them and you want to check out the entire live stream, but if not, you can watch the daily recaps. So I started day 0, day 1, day 2, and you can see there are short videos, 4, 7, 10 minutes long. And you can find this on my channel and you can watch them. So every day I'm going live, then the live stream will be unlisted, so it won't take up a lot of space here on the homepage. And then I'm doing a recap video where I'm going over what I did in the current day, what happened, how much we sold, and stuff like that. So that's the way you can follow along. Okay. Good. So if we export an async function called get server side props, next we'll pre-render this page on each request. Firebase authentication. I might use Firebase for some reason. I knew it, so next Firebase package and official example. I might even research some no-code tools to do this without having to write a lot of code. This package makes it simple to get an authenticated Firebase user. Both client and server side. Huh. Oh, I got another thing I want to write. So here in the daily recaps, or maybe I should not do this. I was thinking to have a task every day to just come up with another idea. And this way we can build a palette of dozens of ideas which we can work on. Come up with another idea for a project. Good. Seven months ago, probably. Yeah, I'm so frightened about the backend and authentication and database and all that. Which is not good. Static required loader. Have you thought about creating a selling Notion template? I see you use it for organizing stuff. Yeah, I have one Notion template for sell, like the notes Where is it? Here. Like everything in this document is for sale for $5. So that's one. Yeah. But another template, yeah, it could be something I'll do. Maybe a template where you can organize a project and like have all the tools in one place so you can build a project and bring it to the next level, or a document where, like, I don't know, getting sleepy. 14 responses. Let's see the Twitter thing. Uh, 57% of 88 people. So that's 88 times 57%. 50 people said yes. How many people saw this? 1,700. So it's not the... Yeah. What would be another easy project to work on? Build it in a day or two. This idea is nice. I like the idea. I'll still need to wait a bit to see if it's viable. I wouldn't want to work on it before I feel like it can work. And especially because like the monetizing part is a bit long journey. I don't imagine being able to get a subscription before, like at launch. Going in a subscription model, I don't know how that would work. Also, ads and sponsorships would require it to be kind of popular. So this is a good project. Well, if people are interested, it could be a good project, but it might take a while to monetize it. And well, we're working on a challenge to be able to get to 100K. I don't know why I always, when I'm thinking about ways to make money, like kind of quickly, is by creating a template and selling it, or components and selling the components. Someone mentioned freelancing. And we can take a look of, let's just see if that could be viable. Upwork. Let me log in. If I have but what's my password? Upwork. Make a site to crowdsource responses for project ideas. Alright. I've logged in my Upwork. Let's just see what are the needs on the market. We've updated specialized profile, better reflect, blah 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 blah. Sure. Yeah, so what's wrong with this? Yeah, I won't spend time here. Interesting, expert vetted and top rated plus. Upwork's new badge offer more ways to help you stand out. Sure. I guess you have to pay or something. Yeah. Have clients outside Upwork introducing hourly direct contracts and the contract get payment protection. No, thank you. Dedicated React.js developer, full stack developer. But look at the hourly rates though. Whoa. Let me zoom in. Want a developer to connect front end to back end. Golang, WebSockets. Huh? NFT art auction platform. Freelancing is not the way to get to 100k quickly. Well, first of all, I'm not looking to get to it quickly. I mean, yeah, it would be nice, but... And second of all, might be a good way to get some money to have to play with. Build a landing page with sign up in React, Firebase, and GCP. $20. Come on. For $20. What? $20. That's crazy. Web front-end React. Yeah, probably you're right about not being the way, especially not on Upwork or something like that. I mean, making $20 in a day wouldn't be something I'm interested in. Building a SaaS app, which will help outreach to developers. Build a front end, back end. 50% front end completed. Back end is Python. Yeah. No point using Upwork when you have your Twitter account. You could charge more money through it. Yeah, that's true. But to be honest, I haven't worked for a client in a while now. So it looks frightening. So I'd better just build my own projects and see how that goes. 15. 16 votes here. Whoa. Nice. Yeah. Another project. So while we're waiting to see if this project has potential, I'd like to have at least 100 responses of different people who would like this. Can I do something else? I still have this idea of creating a community around the challenge and having like something minimal, $5, just to make sure that only people who are serious about the challenge will join the community and they help each other to work towards that goal. I think I can set that up. But yeah, that's again not a project which I'd like to be the focus of the challenge. I still like to build projects maybe. Think. Building a website, buying a team and using it to build a nice website, creating a portfolio template and selling it. Let's see, niche website, landing page builder. Trading bot. I wrote this down the other day. A platform where people get paid to read. So imagine that you're a writer and you would like to get feedback on your book. So you would pay people to read the book and give you feedback. But then again, that needs some work. I guess I can get out of the way of needing to learn how to deal with authentication and everything. Mihai says, so imagine you're a student and you need to read a book, so you pay someone to read it for you. I don't think that will work. Or you can just find a quick 10-minute resume, or how do you call it? The problem I see with the book idea is bots. People will use bots to read the book and generate a generic feedback response. Summary. Generic feedback response. But you will have to write notes on the book and not only send a summary. You would have to provide, like, you read the book and say, okay, I don't like this chapter. I feel like it needs more about this and this. Yeah, it's not like just giving me a summary of the book. But that again, it needs a whole infrastructure of a bigger project. And let me look into the no-code tools. It's pretty easy. It uses some kind of lag. You already have data 2 minutes after the price on the chart itself, so you can very easily predict where it's going to momentum. Oh, the trading bot, yeah. You're a good and relaxing background sound to my coding work. Thank you. Glad that helps. To get paid to read platform should be the main project of this challenge. It should generate some serious revenue. I have a bot up and running, winning more than 2/3. And that's nice. I just feel like in order for this challenge to take off, I need a quick win. A quick win. What's a quick win? Think, Florian, think. And I still get back to this website template because that's something I thought I can do. All the other projects kind of need the backend, and for the backend, I'm kind of afraid. I mean, I'm not necessarily afraid, but I just feel like I need some time to learn it and get it up and running because it's been a while. Oh boy. Yeah, Big Dan is right. Coding trading bots requires expensive knowledge of trading strategies and willingness to risk capital. Make a subscription-based weather app that makes personalized weather predictions. Oh, that feels tough. Template. But again, another drawback of the template side is that I need a designer. And I want a nice template, a good-looking template which can sell. Because the market is big. What's the time? 11. Been up for an hour. 15 responses. Yeah, let's just look around. Hey Drake, good. Research. No code WhatsApp clone. A minimal WhatsApp clone made in no code. What? No code. Under 3 hours. All right. I might look more into these node code tools. This is the live stream. Sketch.io. Live no coding session, making WhatsApp clone without writing a single line of code through Sketch.io no code builder. Huh. Who you're responding to? Oh, okay, yeah. Bring value. We need to bring value, and I could either like spend a lot of time researching stuff and creating a document with the information. Make a course and sell it, but that's, yeah. This is a tool. I've saved something in, wait. I saved something in my bookmarks about no code. No code, yeah. Let's read this. Sorry if it's boring, friends, but yeah, work is boring sometimes. This is why I need a quick win. If I have a quick win, that it could make this challenge more exciting to watch. It's a bit tough that I do this live, so yeah. But this is kind of the same thing I went through when I built the 100 projects in 100 days. I had to spend time to brainstorm ideas, and that might have been easier because I had like well, I didn't need to monetize the projects, so that was easy. I could just build something dummy and be done with it. But now, not only we have to build a project, it also has to make money. So in order for that to happen, it needs to bring value. Go to the 100 projects. That's the thing. I think that making the project be worthy might need backend. So I still go back to either backend or designer for the template, or designing it myself, or yeah. But I have time. I have time to just think around. Let's go to this. This has all the projects. API generated from SQL tables. Right, random meal generator. This is like a good project, as you can get the meal when you're hungry. But how you can, in order to, I guess this is so easy, a lot of people can do it. And patterns, again, Twitter bot, kind of a voting app. This might sound nice. We already have Strawpool for a voting app, so a clock typing speed test. This idea came to me from racing typeracer.com, where, well, yeah, let's play. Do I have an account? Choose a guest name. Enter race. Can I? Hey, I want to. Every life is in many days, day after day. We walk through ourselves, meeting robbers, ghosts, giants, old men, young men, wives, widows, brothers in love, but always meeting ourselves. Hey, I won! Oh my god, send some love button, that could be it. It's like a tip button. I think that could be the project. Which one this? And what do you do? What do you do with it? Yeah, it was a fun project to build. But how can you monetize something like this? You can modify to allow tips. Yeah, but where do you put it for people to give you tips? And why would people give you tips for it? Yeah, no. Think like a TikToker and you will find a way to monetize it. Yeah, I think I'll just go to learn backend. Or a backend no-code tool. Hello, reactive art. 15 responses, so yeah, we don't have 100. That's not good. Middleman to take. To collect tips. Yeah, but you need to set up the whole system. You realize that, right? that requires working with Shopify, not Shopify, sorry, with what's the platform where you can collect payments? With Stripe. Charge people money to give them a shout out. Stripe is easy to set up, really? Yeah, I'll give you a shout out for a donation. $100,000 and you're it. And that's a good idea. Stripe, easy to implement. Yeah, but then if we go back to your idea, where was it? To build this, you could set up Stripe for a project in less than 20 minutes. Paddle is better, they handle all the taxes. All right, let me read what's this no code stuff. I got a dollar donation. Thank you. I don't know from who. All right. no code. Basically, no HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Although I like these three. For me, the hardest part is that goes with the backend. And it's hard because I don't know it, because I haven't spent time learning it that well and I haven't played with it in a while. Build site using Notion. Understand how Notion HQ works. Well, Notion, I do. Just read the story of my Logi is a genius. Who's that? Oh, which I shared yesterday. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. All right, so build the site using Notion. Some of the tools you can use. Let's check out these. Fruition, free open source toolkit for building website with Notion. What? Custom domains, pretty URLs, dark mode, custom font, custom JavaScript. Perfect for portfolios, blogs, job posting, landing pages. What if we build a blog with the Notion template? That would be crazy. Stefan. Hello, Stefan. Just a guy who likes to build things. Yeah. Alright. A huge Notion fan of software engineer decided to combine the two and build something cool for the Notion community. Fruition. With Fruition you can build and customize your website, custom domains, blah 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 blah. Fruition./softcase. What is this? It could be the button with Notion. I'm sharing you Autodate for free with no coding knowledge. If you want a fully managed solution, you should use sites like Super. Okay, 10 minutes. Video. Are those Notion build sites? They look horrid. What's horrid? That's horrible? Something bad? It is Cloudflare workers to rewrite traffic. The solution is inspired by this script. Okay. Custom and generate script paste in Cloudflare. Building websites with Airtable. Terrible. Yeah, but maybe it looks... I mean, I haven't clicked on it. Maybe they look good? Let's see. Let's see this. Open link. Hey, I mean... It's not the best, but like, look, I mean... I have a website and it has a blog, so... Pretty not bad. How can I click on it? Yeah, I can tell. Pinned post, small main PC. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it has a Notion like view, right? Supper, we're going to check this out, and then what's this? Potion. Create a custom website in minutes, all in Notion. Potion. I think I've heard about Potion. They got on how do you call it? On Product Hunt. Yeah, no. Potion. Manage your website from your phone. What? This is pretty cool. Pricing. $12 per site per month. Nice. Showcase, let's see. This one. So this site was built with Upper. How's the road? How much you make in 3 days? We got to $100 selling a temple, a Notion document. I need $120, so I'm here. Awesome. Are you impressed with these Notion sites? I can't say I'm impressed. It's just, I mean, I'm impressed that you can do, even if you're not a coder, you can have a site, you know? I mean, they're not the best looking, but still. The problem with the Notion sites is that they follow the same style design. Notion-esque style design. They're all the same but different. Yeah, the design is the same. I agree. I mean, you can't have my. But look, for a blog post, this looks great. I mean, you can't say that this is bad. Now here on the and this too. I mean, not sure why it's so white here. That's maybe a design thingy, but still. Squarespace has everything: email, blog, shop, calendar. If you're happy with 30% of your script heavy content, sure. WordPress for something better. Buy the template. What template? Portfolio template for Notion and Supper. Well, look. And at least 2 people bought it, so that's fun. Oh boy. You should learn WordPress and do WordPress freelancing. I should learn a lot of stuff, yeah. WordPress kind of no code? I guess, yeah. WordPress is no code if all you do is buy a theme and install 100 plugins. I agree. Yep. So the old way: WordPress, install WordPress, get distracted with tons of options, publish each page, Webflow, learn new web builder, monthly visitor limits, super. Manually create every pretty URL, same image. With Potion, nothing to install, simple, updates instantly. Use Notion, you already know it, no page limits. Pretty URLs and preview image automatically. Auto-magically. You can just use WordPress for its admin section and build something custom on top. Yeah, like with React, I guess with Next.js you can do that, right? Gatsby. So this is cool. What's the pricing for this? One site, $8 a month. 3 sites, 8 sites. SEO friendly. Affiliate for Potion. Yes, get in touch. That's a good thing to make money, if be affiliate. What if we use Potion to build a site, to sell the template, and then be affiliated with them too? It's really expensive for what it is. Is it? Let's see what they can do. Yeah, you can see the same stylish kind of. My top tweets, what? Is this something? I think he put it here. Use Potion to sell your affiliate link. That's kind of meta. And selling a potion template, and that's all affiliate link. Go back. Easy blog. Template. Potion. Notion has a max weight of like 300%. Oh, and can't you change it? Click on the template, duplicate the template, use the Notion URL. What's the template here? This seems wider. I thought that there was no setup options and then you're copying pasting code to get it working. All lies. I guess since Notion launched their API, there are a lot of things popping up with Notion, right? Yeah, I feel like we're just chasing things around, not doing anything productive, which I don't like. If it works, all that matters. That's right. You can subscribe and all that. How? I mean, I don't... Well, I can see the pattern of a Notion, but like, I don't hate how this looks, you know? Justin Jackson, I know this guy. Indie Bytes podcast. Oh, this sounds like a nice podcast to watch. Want to listen to the episodes at free? Get an extended version. Buy me a coffee. Notion is ugly. Yeah, sure. I mean, I can see why this is not beautiful, but still, it gets the thing done. He has a website for his podcast, and what's wrong with that? For people who don't like look, Cortland, nice. Oh, this is a must. I'm going to bookmark this. And I'm going to find them on Apple Podcast too. You're getting off track. Yeah, I know. Podcast. Just let me get this podcast subscribed. I want to listen to it when I go running. Indie Bytes. Subscribe. Get it. At least I found something. Alright, focus. Yeah, your idea is not bad, but I see all these people: Rosie, Arvid, Philip, Pat, Harry. Wow, I know a lot of people. I know a lot of people here. You're doing it yourself. Yeah. All right. I think today I'm going to set up a community. Aren't we all doing it? What? I'm not sure what you mean. Let me look into Circle and how I can set up Circle with Gumroad. Trying to make money, yeah. What if I'll create a community and we all gather there and share ideas? That could be the second project. A very niche-based community, yeah. A community of people who want to join the challenge and build stuff and talk to each other and share stuff and all that. I'll do this. Pat Flynn, I know this guy. Alright, let me sign up. And I'm going to need to see how I can link this up with Gumroad. They have a survey, 4 questions. We have 4 quick questions, 60 seconds, okay. We offer 2 ways to get started with Circle. Which one options would you prefer? Watch an on-demand product walkthrough right now and get started within 4 days. Schedule 13 one-on-one with a Circle member. And in the meantime, we'll immediately take you and watch. The first one. Are you looking to set up your community and invite your first members within the next 2-4 weeks? Yes. How do you originally hear about Circle? From other creators. Circle has a 30-day free trial and then $39 per month. Is that within your budget? I mean, that means I need at least 8 people to run it. I'd say no, yes, no, yes. Can we make $40? Yes, I guess. Okay. Sorry, I sometimes move offline on the other screen just so in case they ask me something private. Okay, here 5 questions. Pricing, knowledge, create a community, no credit card required. Up to 10,000 members. Ooh, that would be crazy. $39 a month, free community. Should I watch this? What does it say?
Hey there, my name's Andy. I am one of the co-founders here at Circle. And
get started in 25 minutes or less. Should I watch this? I mean, yeah, let's just watch it. You'll learn how to create your own community if maybe someday you want to do that. Let me close the other. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Okay.
And this is going to be a full product demo, right? So I'm going to show you how to create your community with Circle. And hopefully we're going to do this in 25 minutes or less. We're going to try and make this really efficient. So let's
Can you hear it?
Now, one of the first questions everybody asks is Circle right for me? And the answer, it's maybe. You know, a lot of our best customers, the people that use Circle, they're building communities that they're either like very people-focused membership sites, right? Or they're communities that go with online courses, or they have a podcast or a newsletter or a blog, and they want to build a really kind of like people-centric community around that content. There are a lot of use cases, right? So there are things like people use this all the time for
okay. So yes,
right? So what your folks will actually see when they're in the product. I'm going to show you how to
behind the scenes, for example, walkthrough, how to actually set up, how Circle integrates, common Q&As, free trial. Okay.
set up the community. I'm going to show you how it integrates with all of your tools. I'm going to answer common questions about Circle. And then finally, I'm going to just give you a free trial of Circle so that you can get in there and just kick the tires and see how you like it, right? There's no better way to get started than to actually go in and play around. A lot of people are hands-on. So yeah, I mean, really, that's my big promise to you today, which is that in the next 20, take a look at Circle. So this is Anne Lore's community, right? And so, you know, Anne Lore, she has a lot of
Oh well,
content.
no, I won't listen to this. I won't bore you. I'm going to put back music on. Where's the music? Here. Alright, yeah, let's just create a community. Community name, URL, brand color. The poppers have a second home. A dating website. Yeah. A logo, an icon. Community name. 0 to 100K. $. Okay, make this a private. Yes. Custom member sign up link. Oh. Yeah, I need to set this up with I need a Rebecca Purple Hex 663399. No. I clicked enter. No, I don't want that. Too loud? Yeah, I'll bring it down. Sorry. What I did? I don't know what I did. How do I set up Gumroad Circle setup? Connect your Gumroad Circle with Zapier. First, I think I need to make membership on Gumroad. Let me know if the sound is still too loud. So Gumroad products. I think I have the dev community. I'll just rename it to 0 to from 0 to 100K community. And pricing. $5 a month, $45 per year. Yeah, these two. Also like a lifetime, but I don't know if they have. Okay, we need an image, a description, details. New members will email the last post. New members will have access to all posts. Members will lose access when the message ends. And members after a number of months. Public show the number of members. Get unique per cell. Frequency month. Don't worry. Alright. Description. Get access to the Circle community of builders. Is Gumroad like Patreon? Buy me coffee. Yeah, can be. You can have a monthly subscription or you can have fixed price. Of builders work working towards the 100k goal. That's a very simple description, but yeah. But I think they differ with commission payment changes. Yeah. Thumbnail, I'll have this. I like this logo. And put this, but change. Oh no, I want to change the image. So I want to go to, where is it? Canva. This one. And I want an icon for, what's a good icon for community? Community. People. People. Like these people? People. All right, and we need this color. No, this color and these. Maybe something in between. Like that. This should do it. Change color to purple. Gumroad community cover. Alrighty. And so yeah, this could be here. We'll see. This community text is a bit too small, right? Maybe I keep this, but I did also this a bit smaller. So it's not a lot different. All right. Okay, and I also want maybe this to change from this icon to the people icon. And again, we can use white, and this could be some kind of purplish, maybe this color, but a bit lighter, like this. And the big one. All right. Gumroad community logo. Oh, I should have used those. Looks a bit weird though. Oh, okay. Access. You'll get access to the circle community. I don't know what's this. 0 to 100k community. Alright, but how do I link it now? That's the question. Files. Whoops. I don't understand the tires. Like, aren't there monthly and yearly? Oh well. Okay, and now I need to link them. Okay, set up Super with Notion, Circle with Super and Notion, Member Space with Super Circle. Nope. With Zapier. Connect Gumroad and Circle in minutes. Easy to connect Gumroad and Circle. Zero coding experience. Select a trigger. Sale. Select an action. Oh, nice. Add member. Huh. I need to check another tutorial to make sure that it will work. Okay. Oh, so this is to set up Gumroad. Okay. What's the pricing of Zapier? $100 tasks per month. Whoa, so this can become costly if you have more. Everything costs money. I'm getting tired. For space, a space is a place to discuss. Oh, okay. Yeah. Create space, invite a member, embed the widget. Let's see. General. Hide from logged out visitors. Hide from feature areas. Make this private space. Invite add members from space groups. What's a space group? Members of the space group will be added to the space by default. Yeah, sure. Layout. Post view, list view. Alright. Prevent members from creating pros, prevent from adding, from creating. Default tab, default short tab. Email notification settings for new posts. In-app notification setting for new posts. When a member joins the space, set the default timer notification setting for new post. When a member joins the space, set the default timer. Alright, I guess no. Create space? Hey, look at that, I'm a member. Make the first post. Welcome. Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining. I'm... Whoa, what happened? I'm glad that you decided to join our community. Tell us more about you below by replying below. Point. I haven't done this, so maybe pin to the top. And can I edit it? Edit. Hello. Wave. Alright, so that looks interesting. Embed the widget. What? Embed our community widget to a website. Oh, interesting. There's so many things here. Brand color logo, reply to email, onboarding, every community customize onboarding, 15 admins, oh whoa, custom domain. Okay, code snippets. These are just, alright. Create a member tag, lets you define members with categories, personas, roles. Yeah. So many settings. It's a kind of overwhelming. Okay. Enable members to sign up with a custom URL. Yeah. If someone goes to this link, what happens? Oh, they requested to log in. Alright, I need to do more research about how to create this community links. What links? Link title, link URL. Notion. What if I add the Notion notes? Dummylink.com. Oh, nice. How can I change the links now? Okay. Oh, you can add groove spaces. Oh boy, there's so many things you can do here. Crazy. What would you need in the community? I guess general works here. Alright, I'm getting tired. Feel like I'm in the same spot, which is not okay. I need to get something going. 18 people, yeah. Thank you, love from Romania too. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I really need to sit down and brainstorm more of what I can actually do in the live streams and actually start working on something. I need to see what I need to learn and put some time aside to learn these features which I need to probably implement. And we need to start moving because it's been a while. Yeah. Hey Simon, how is it going? I'm thinking, yeah, I need to do more research to see what I can work on quickly and get the ball moving. Okay. Websites with no-code tools. Identify feature you probably need by other projects. You plan and start research or implementing these. No wasted time to have this ongoing now. Yeah. I feel like I have all these ideas, but then for each of them, I kind of miss something to get it done. Probably just my fear of actually getting something done, you know? But yeah. Anyway, we kind of moved a bit further today by creating this and seeing how people will react on a tool like this. Let's see, do we got more answers to the form? Yeah, not a lot of interest. So in my opinion, no-code is not very promising because in the end, to create a real tool app sites, you need programming. Even no-code platform need to coding to be created. Yeah, I'm not worried about that, but what I want is something to get the ball moving. I use no-code tools like Flutterflow to reduce my development time. Yeah, so no-code tool, this is why they're created. So people who don't know coding can make money with the tools or use them, and yeah, they are valuable. It's just need to find the right combination. Maybe Micro says that people would like to pay for subscription lesson online learning platform. Is that Micro SaaS? So people can create micro education on their selves. Mixer, Udemy, and Gumroad. Yeah. All right. I'm going to close the stream now, and I'm going to do more research. Probably I'll need to take a break, and then later I'm going to do some more research and eventually come up with something to work on tomorrow, finish wrapping up the community. If someone, that could be another revenue source, but I don't really want to rely on that either. That could be a way to gather all people who are interested in the challenge, and it will be a nice way to maybe find partners and stuff like that in the future. And I guess that's it. Thanks for joining. I'll see you tomorrow, roughly the same time. And we'll see. Hopefully this week we can get something going. That would be the best. I don't want to spend weeks researching and having nothing. Although I'm fine with that. I might bore some people, which is not the best case scenario. I wanted this to be more entertaining. But I'm willing to go the long way. So even if it takes a year, I'm happy with that. I know that if I'm going to complete the challenge, it will be quite nice. Thanks, Simon, for joining. Feel free to join tomorrow too. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.